Today we're going to show you a quick tutorial on ordering a skip trace list from our website. So navigating from the skip tracing page on Wholster.app, we're going to click the Order Now button. You'll start by entering your information and a name for your list. We'll call this the Wholster tutorial, and you can view and agree to the terms of service and then hit continue. From here, you'll choose the number of records, the state you'd like these records from, and then you can enter the county, city, and/or the zip codes for those records. We're going to order 10,000 records from Maryland, and we're going to choose our favorite zip codes, and we're going to hit continue. Next is the list selection screen. From here, you can choose up to 2 of our pre-made lists of motivated criteria for your records. We have over 30 lists to choose from, and we're pulling from the most updated sources so that your lists are fresh for converting into leads. We'll select vacant and an absentee combo for our example. Next is the upload screen. If you've ordered data before, you can upload your prior list here so that we can scrub for duplicate records. If you have a list of your own that you'd like us to skip trace, please email your request along with that list to data@wholster.app and we'll take care of you. Next, if you have any notes or additional criteria you'd like to add to the records, you can input that here. Let's say, for example, you're ordering a list of vacant and absentee, but you are only interested in condos. Just add that note here and click Review Order. From here, you can submit your order. First, go ahead and review it and make sure all of your information is correct. And if you're not logged in or you're a new customer, it will direct you to log in or create an account first, then you'll be able to submit the order and enter the checkout. In most cases, after submitting your order, you can expect to have your records emailed to you within 24 hours. For any questions, email us at data@wholster.app and we'll get right on it.